video we will be going to draw the crane hook which you are seeing on the screen. So here you can see, so this kind of a hook we are going to draw. So here we are going to start from this point. Okay, so from this point we will be drawing this hook. Okay, so here you can see, based on this we are going to draw the hook. Okay, so for that let us go in this AutoCAD software and draw this one. Okay, so let us click on this start drawing option here. So here a new drawing sheet has been given. Okay, first of all let me see the units are in. So let us consider this, all of these units as only. Okay, so for that we have to give the units and dimension. So here I am giving units, so click on UN, click on units will be appearing, click on enter here. Okay, so after clicking that, here you have to go and you have to select the decimal one and the precision be 0.0 only. Okay, so we have set the type as decimal type and the precision we are taking it as 0.0 only. Okay, it will be at the 0.0 only, selecting the precision as 0.0 only, and next the unit scale is set to be millimeters. Okay, so next then click on this OK option here. So here now you can see the units has been set. Next we are going to give the dimensions and limits. Okay, so for that click on D, enter. Okay, D, enter, it will be open. So here we are going to edit the dimensions and we are going to set the whichever you want. Okay, so click on this modify option here. After selecting the modify option, let the unit format be in decimals. So I am giving the precision as 0.0 only and click on this OK option and next click on close here. Okay, so the dimensions have been given, the dimensional units and format with precision has been given. Next we have to give the limits. Okay, click on this limits, click on enter option here. So the limits will be 0, 0, enter, and the other limits will be say 100, 100. Okay, so next click on this enter option here. Okay, so the limits have been given. Okay, so next step of that process is that we are going to directly draw the hook. Okay, so let me see here. Here you can see, so from here to here it is of 16, so that means it is of 16 mm dia. Okay, so 16 mm dia. Okay, with the two are extended at 45 degrees. Okay, so for that what we'll be doing is go on here, let us draw this one out. Okay, so for that go on here and draw a line. Okay, so let me click on this F8 option here, ortho will be on, click on this 8, sorry, click on the 16, enter. So click on escape option here. So here you can see the line has been given. Okay, we have to copy this and or else we can also give the offset to the upward side. So the upward side, the offset distance will be, okay, so we have to copy this towards the upside. So I think this, so this offset distance will be 2 mm. Okay, so So for that, go on here and give it as a 2 mm. Click on this offset option here. Okay, specify the offset distance. Okay, let the offset distance be 2. Click on enter here. Click on this option here. Okay, here it has been given. Okay, next click on this line option here. Here you can go and select the lines. So here you can given that it is at 45 degrees. Okay, so I am selecting this one. Okay, so I am clicking on this. So we are taking it as 45 degrees. So click on this, click on escape option here. Next we have to click on this line option here. From here we have to go in this. We have to go in this minus 45 degrees. Okay. So 45 means how much the angle will be. Okay, so for that, so the angle will be 135. Okay. So the angle will be 135, I think. Okay. Click on this and click on escape option here. So here it has been given. Next we will be going to trim this one, and we are going to give this one. Okay, and here, and so I will click on this fence option here. So we have to select the fence whichever you want to delete. Okay, the fence has been selected. So here you can see the upper part has been deleted. So next we will be going to draw the next part of that one. Okay, so for that, let us see here. So from here we will be drawing. It is at a length of 15 only. Okay, so for that, let us quickly draw this one. So from here to here, since it is at 16, so we are going to draw this one. We are going to offset this one to this side. Okay, so for that, go here and click on this line option here. Click on this one, and let me click on this F8 option. The distance will be of 15 on the. So click on the center option here. Click on this one. Click on line option. Click on this one, and the distance will be of 15. Click on this one. Click on escape. So here it has been given. The upper part has been given. Okay. Next, what we have to do is we have to draw this part. Okay. So to draw this part, we will be considering it as a rectangle. Here you can see, so the total diameter is 24. So here we are going to consider it as a 24 meters length, 24 mm length rectangle, and the width is 4 mm. Okay, so for that, go here and let us click on this. Click on D, enter. Sorry. Let me specify the first corner. Okay, the first corner has been specified. So click on D, enter option here. The length of the rectangle will be 24 and the width will be 4. Okay, so here it has been given. Length will be 24 and the width will be 4. Next, what we have to do is we have to select this one, and we have to move this towards this side. Here you can see it has been drawn. And you can say, let me see the dimensions here. So it is 4 here. Okay, so let us see the dimensions to this side also. you can see 4 and 4. Okay, so it has placed wisely. Okay, so let me deselect this one. Okay, so next we will be going to draw the hook for this one. Okay, so for that let us see here. So before that we have to draw this line and we have to draw this line to draw these circles. Okay, so for that we will be drawing this line. Okay, so we will be drawing the dotted line. Okay, for that click on this here. So if you want you can select here. Okay, let me click on this load here. I am selecting the dotted lines here. Okay, click on this one, ISO dash, click on this OK option here. Okay, so I am selecting from here to towards the downside. Next click on this escape option here. Okay, after that let us see this. So if you want you can give this scale. Okay, but before that selecting this one and click on this line option here. So we will be producing it towards the downside. Click on escape option here. Okay, so here it has been drawn. Next we have to draw the line. Okay, so for that, before that let me select this one and let me explode this, or else we will first of all we will be doing this fillet. Okay, so for that let me explode that one. Click on X, click on enter. Okay, it has been exploded. Let us give this fillet radius. Okay, we have to give the radius. Okay, select R, enter. So we have to give the fillet radius. Okay, so for that here you can see the fillet radius is how much, or else you can also create the circles also. Okay, so for that click on this circle option here, click on this 3 point here, specify the first point here. Specify this second point here. So we have to give the circle. Okay, so for that, or else if you can also click on this arc option here. Here it has been drawn. So in the same way we have to draw this side also. Okay, so for that let me draw. I will be drawing this fillet. Okay, so for that in the same manner we have to do this side also. Okay, so let us click on this fence option here. So it has been given. Next let us delete this one also. So it is not getting deleted, so click on this and select this one. option. So here it has been deleted. So the upper part or the handle of the hook has been given and it has been completed. Next we will be going to draw the hook here. Okay, so for that we have given the line from here to here. So let us see what will be the distance. Okay, so we are going to copy this one and we are going to paste it towards the downside at downside at 36. Okay, from here to here it is of 36 mm. Okay, so for that go to here and select this line and we have to give it as a offset, or we can also copy it. Okay, we have to specify this base point and given here towards the downside as the distance of 36. Click on the center option here, click on escape here. Okay, so let me delete this the outer line and let us draw the normal line so that it will be getting easy for us. Okay, let me click on this F8. From here onwards we have to draw the circles. Okay, so for that let us click on the circle and click on this center radius option. So select the center and we have to give the radius so that give the circles. Okay, so here you can see after selecting this we have to give the radius as R15. Okay, so for that R15 we have to give the radius of 15 circle here. Okay, so for that let us go here and give the radius. So radius as circle radius as how much? Let us see here, radius as 15 here. Okay, so for that go here and give it as a 15. Click on the center option here. So here it has been given. Okay, so next what we will be doing is we are going to draw the line. Okay, so for that click on this line option here. So after clicking on the line option here, from this end point we have to give the distance which is at 4. Okay, downwards click on this 4 option here, click on this escape option here. So after giving this we have to give the circle. Okay, so for that we have to go for the here circle and we have to click on this tan radius. Okay, so we have to specify the first tangent of a circle. Okay, so for that I am selecting this one and selecting this one and we have to specify the radius of the circle as how much, and we have to give the circle radius as 4. Okay, so for that specify the radius as 4. Okay, so here you can see that the radius has been given. Okay, this side. So actually this should be coming on this side only. So let us see here. Okay, so here you have to come this side. So for that let me delete this one. Okay, after giving this one we have to go here and we have to give the from here let us give the center radius. Okay, so that we will be taking the circle from here. So I am specifying the center and giving the radius as 2. Click on enter option here. So here we have given the circle has been given here. Okay, so after giving the circle we have to draw this inner circle connecting to this point and this point. Okay, so for that let us click on this circle and click on this tan radius. Okay, so let us click on this tan here and click on this tan here and let us see what will be the other circle. So here you can see, so from here it is at a distance of 5 and from 5 distance we will be drawing this circle, and from here to here it is a distance of 5 and we are going to draw this circle. Okay, so for that